Hey guys, and welcome back to the Abacus 11 Plus YouTube channel. Today we've got yet another maths sample paper, this time from Bancroft's school. As always, the paper, the original one, is going to be linked in the description. And for this video, we're going to go through the first part of these solutions. Okay, so here for our first question, we've got, as usual, quite an easy opener. So main thing here is no silly mistakes. Make sure you take your time and you focus, because these questions we should be able to get correct. So we're filling in the missing numbers in the boxes. Something plus 488 equals 731 plus 489. So we know that when we see this kind of question, the left-hand side needs to equal the right-hand side. So here we start by working out what the right-hand side equates to. We have 731 plus 489. We can use column addition. It won't be too slow. So 1 plus 9 gives us 10, so 0, carry the 1. Then we have 3 plus 8 giving us 11, plus the 1 gives us 12. Then we have 7 plus 4, 11, plus the 1 again is 12. So we have 1220 or 1,220 on the right-hand side. And that means that the left-hand side must also equate to 1,220. But this time it's something plus 488. So all we do to work out this question mark figure is we take this 1220, right? And we subtract 488. Essentially, we have question mark plus 488 equals 1220. So we want to end up with question mark equals something. We want question mark on its own. And to do that, we subtract 488 from both sides of the equation, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So we take our 1220, we subtract 488. 0 minus 8 we can't do, so we take a 10 from the 2. 10 minus 8, we have 2. Then 1 minus 8, again, we can't do. Take a 10 from the 2. 11 minus 8, we have 3. 1 minus 4, we can't do. Take a 10 from the 1. 11 minus 4 gives us 7. So 732. That is our missing value, 732. Let's put it in the box over there. Now, for this next part, at the bottom, we have something times 7 equals 43 times 14. So let's again start by working out this right-hand side of the equation where we have all the values. So 43 times 14. Again, we can simply work this out using our column normal simple method. So we have 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 12. 2, carry the 1. 4 times 4, 16. Add the 1 is 17. Placeholder here. We don't start in this column. We start in the next column. So now we have 1 times 3, 3 times 1, which is 3. 4 times 1, which is 4. So 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 3, 10. 2 plus 4, 6. So 602 on the right-hand side. So something times 7 is 602. We work out that something by, if we make it a bit more clear, we work that out by dividing both sides by 7. This will leave us with question mark equals on its own, which is what we want. So 602 divided by 7. Let's do it. Well, 7 doesn't go into 6, so we do 7 into 60. Well, use our times tables. We know that 7 times 8 is 56. So it has to be 8. 7 times 9 would be too big because 7 times 9 is 63. That's why it's so important to be sharp with our times tables. So 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Carry the 4. 7 into 42 is going to be 6. 6 times 7 is 42. So we have 8 and 6 giving us 86, and our answer is 86. 86 times 7 is 602. 2. Okay, so here we have an interesting question. We're told that 1000 divided by 8 is 125. So what's 1000 divided by 16? And we have to give our answer as a decimal. So let's think about what's going on here. What do we really mean by division? If we have 1000 divided by 8, what does this actually mean? Well, it means that we're taking 1000, and let's use a different color to really make this clear. We're taking 1000 and we're dividing it into 8 equal pieces. That's what division is. Dividing something into a number of equal pieces. The best way to think about it is like a pizza. Everyone loves pizza, right? So we have a pizza. And if we divide that pizza into 2 or into 3, we're dividing that pizza, if we're fair, into 2 or 3 equal pieces, equal sections. So back to our question, if we know 1000 divided by 8 is 125, that means when we take 1000 and we divide it into 8 equal sections, each section will be equal to 125. So now if we have 1000 divided by 16, we're taking that same 1000, but instead of dividing it or cutting it up, cutting that pizza into 8 sections, we're cutting that pizza into 16 sections, twice as many sections. So if we're cutting the pizza into more sections, is the result going to be smaller or bigger? It's going to be smaller because we're cutting up into more. There are more mouths to feed. So using that logic and understanding, if 1000 divided by 8 is 125, then 1000 divided by 16 should be half of 125. So we take 125, we divide it by 2, we have 6, and then we have 2.5. So 62.5. It makes sense, right? If we have a pizza and we cut it into more sections, then each person, each mouth there is to feed gets less pizza. So 62.5 is our answer. That's how we think about this. And then same thing for 1000 divided by 32. Now, if we have that same pizza, I mean, you're not going to get much food anymore because we're cutting up into, again, twice as many sections, twice as many pizzas or pieces. So if 1000 divided by 16 gives us 62.5, then 1000 divided by 32 will be half of 62.5. So 62.5 again divided by 2. Well, 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 2 is 1. And then 2 into 0.5 is 0.25 or 0.25. So our answer is going to be 31.25. That's all we have to do to work this out. We don't have to start trying to work out 1000 divided by 16 from the very start. We don't do this. We take what they've given us in the question and we apply our understanding of what division actually means. And it gives us these answers. Okay, so that is all for today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you're the first to know when the next video is released. And on that note, I will see you all next time.